What up, people? Haven't seen you in a long time. It's been a while. But you know what today is? Valentine's Day! Woohoo! We got some gifts here from Melissa. Big ass card, teddy bear, and a Pandora charm. I don't know what we're doing. I think we're going to dinner or something later. But and I'm about to go get some flowers for her too. I haven't done a vlog in like 2 weeks, but I promise I'm gonna start doing them more. I don't know, I'm getting lazy. I'm about to get a new camera. It's crazy. The lines in here are ridiculous. You guys have a Valentine? If you don't, that sucks. Well, I don't know. It might not suck for you. I don't know. It has its advantages and its disadvantages. Hopefully you do something good for your Valentine. Get her a bunch of stuff, or him. She's probably mad because I'm running a little late. She's the most impatient person I know. And we are here. And another thing.
Can we just calm down here?
Hey.
Okay. Thanks, babe.
Whoa, what's this? Stamp of approval?
Fancy.
Okay. Oh.
Pretty expensive card, isn't that cool?
Puzzles.
You don't take it off, it
From
stays
Dave
there.
and Roscoe.
Well, see, it says you complete me. It's like puzzle, see? You get it?
Wow. That's 3. Oh, what's this?
Ooh, you have no idea.
Ooh. How did I know? I thought I wouldn't know. Thanks.
Matches your outfit. What are you wearing?
Now, your turn.
Oh, that's cool because I wanted a big card.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's nice. Aw, happy Valentine's, babe. Love you so much, Ma. We need a little chicken scratch.
And what else does it say? It's a smiley face.
With the eye. That's so funny. Listen.
What?
It's so funny. I was like, Amanda just got me a Pandora.
That's stupid.
That's funny. And so now I can wear it too many times. That's
stupid.
Nice. That's so funny. Thank
That's
you.
stupid.
What does it mean?
It's a heart.
What's it mean?
It's called Shimmering Heart.
That's so funny. You guys got me the same one. But now you can match it on both
stupid.
sides. That's funny. That's nice.
Not funny.
That's funny. That's so funny because what are the chances? And I just said that too. I just said it to her. I was like, "What are the?" I was like, "Imagine if he gets me the same one."
She's bad luck.
It is.
She got a hot dog. Kitty, kitty, kitty. We should make.
With the shoes she ate. With the shoes in there. Okay.
Hey, what's this thing over here?
How do I look in a scarf?
Can you move? Okay, move, please. Please move.
Do I look cool? Can I rock the scarf?
No diggity.
We're 20 minutes late because of traffic at the Rainforest Cafe.
Move yourself.
An alligator. It's pretty cool, huh? I have no idea how to. Look at those fishes. Hey, it's Dory. Finding Nemo. There you are. Cool, huh? Whoa. Hey, looks like you. Staying over here? Turn. Turn.
What?
See? Look at you.
Okay, you're not.
I don't know what that is. Where is she going? Where is she going? This place is pretty cool. What are you doing? Birdie. What are you doing? Rainforest. Pretty cool, huh?
There it is.
Oh man, I think it's gonna start lightning and thunder now. Ah! Oh my god! Oh, it's lightning and thunder, and the monkeys and the animals are going crazy and wild. Oh my god, I'm scared! Look at the Look at the volcano. With the flash on and the fudge and the ice cream with the cake and the yum.
Where's the ice cream?
Fishes.
Oh, that's why she asked if it was a phone, because it has a camera lens.
I just got plastic surgery.
You just got
Let's
both.
go. That old lady's getting too hungry. The old lady's shopping at Victoria's Secret. She's gonna get some lingerie. Cause it's Valentine's Day. What? When you work out, you can do some punching bag drills with those boxing gloves. Did I say punching bag skills? Some boxing skills.
Anymore.
Say bye, Roscoe. Okay, bye. Happy Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Home now, sitting here watching the rookies and sophomores. Oh, look at that block. Officially All-Star Weekend. Can't wait for tomorrow, Saturday night, the dunk contest, 3-point shootout, skills challenge, and then Sunday, the All-Star game. Tomorrow I gotta wake up super early for school, and then I got work right after that. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. I hope you enjoy my video. Go give it a thumbs up. Go thumb it up, go crazy with the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, share it to all your friends, you know how the deal is. And make sure you subscribe down there to see more daily videos. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is the life of Mikey. Peace. Go get it. No, give me it. We're all gonna die. God, look at all the snow. All the beautiful snow on the trees. It looks like a postcard. People are driving like retards. I don't know how people in New England don't know how to drive when it's snowing. So it snows all the time. It's just retarded.